greeting. Magandang umaga po. Salamat po for everybody for coming here. And what better way to celebrate than with a new store in our beautiful new star, in our pride of Cebu, and giving a taste of Thai for the Cebuanos. The people behind our kitchen, Chef Bruno, Chef Ray, at Chef Dennis, o mga batanon. Kasi ako matanda na. Kailangan ko lang kapalit. So, these are my brains in the kitchen, in our commissary. So, mga bata na. Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, to assure that all the Thai food that you are having now is from original Thai chef. Once again, thank you very much for your invitation. On behalf of my mother in Bangkok, congratulations my mother in the Philippines. Maraming salamat.